It's time for another do-it-yourself Mythbusters. Let's find out if this really affects oxygen level, your breathing. Now this one is, it has a valve, so, yeah. Okay, and we have three oxygen sensors. But first let's take our wrist temperature, 33. Okay, I am on my baseline. Perfect health today. Okay, so now let's put this on the face. Put it on the face, okay. Of course you can't see it because it's behind the camera, but you can hear the difference, right? You can hear that something has changed. So let's put on, okay, this hand is a little cold because I just washed it. First, all right, let's see. Okay. SpO2 number 1, SpO2 number 2, SpO2 number 3. Okay, I have 3 of them. They take a few seconds to to read accurately. So let's disregard the first few seconds. Okay, I'm breathing. 93. I have never seen this read 94. Okay, so it's getting better. This one is backwards, so it's actually reading 99, 97. So this one here is the latest one. This one looks like it is a Massimo clone. Or a Massimo clone. Interesting. I've never seen this one read this low. But this one's saying 99. So something is... Oh, now I'm 100%. But my perfusion index is quite low, 0.8. Over here it's not matching. My perfusion index there is 1.6. 99, 99, 93 for some reason. Keep reading. 100. So this one has an exhaust valve. So let's see what happens after a few minutes. We now have 3 minutes into this recording. Look at that, I'm taking 19 breaths per minute. My respiratory rate is 18 breaths per minute. So that means it's still good. Now why is this finger reading 93? It's definitely a little harder to breathe with the mask on, even with a valve. Well, this is very strange. Let's transfer that to another finger. 99, 99, 98, 97. Okay, not like my respiratory rate is rising. It's gone up to 22. Okay, so there must have been something wrong with that reading over there because they're all 99, 99, 100. My blood oxygen is perfect. These two don't rise, they only have 2 digits, so they don't go over 99. This one has 3 digits. My perfusion index is not very good, it's 0.9 or 1. Interesting how the my heart rate is different in all 3. Now I'm down to 17 breaths per minute, so that's still good. In an experiment on YouTube by one of the major manufacturers, I think it was Philips, they showed that the perfusion index changes quite rapidly, and so does the oxygen. So far, everything's reading perfect. Except this morning, my perfusion index was higher this morning. It was 6 on one machine and 7 on the other machine. So, but my oxygen is perfect. It hasn't changed. So now 6 minutes. You can see the wave graph of my heart. I'm breathing more relaxed now, so it's down to 14 breaths per minute. My perfusion index is creeping higher. In theory, as my perfusion index goes higher, I am supposedly getting healthier. I'm breathing slower now. Okay, wait. I know. Interesting. Coughing made my breathing rate, sorry, my heartbeat go up. And even my respiratory rate went up. So that's what happens when you cough. The reason I'm coughing is because this mask has a smell in it. It's got a chemical smell. That's from the manufacturing of it. Oh, look. My respiratory rate went up to 30. So breathing through this mask, it's got a chemical residue smell. Which I don't like. So we are now almost 10 minutes. I'm going to stop it here. There is no effect on oxygen. Oh, it's gotten down to 97 here. Those two are still 99. So this meter is saying that I did lose some oxygen. I went down 2 points. And look at my, this one's gone down 1 point. Now reading 99, 98, 99. Again, this only goes up to 99. Oh, it's gone down to 98 now. I'll check that one. So, after 11 minutes, there seems to be a reduction. Gone down to 97. This particular one has 5 functions. This one has 2 functions. This one has 3 functions. Sorry, this has 4 functions because it also has a graph. Okay, so these two are indicating a reduction in my 1%, 2%, and here 2%. Oh, gone up to 99, so 98, 98. And my respiratory rate is now 23. This means I'm having a harder time breathing. But my perfusion index has actually gone better. So so we're going to stop here. We've got 12 minutes in it. So it seems that there is an effect. It's gone down 2 points. It's gone down 1 point. That one, this one has no change. Okay, this is the least reliable of all of them. Because at the start, you remember that this one was giving some false readings on this finger. Okay, experiment is over. This is the mask in question.